How to fix alarm no sound in Moto G17 power. First of all, allow alarm. Open app screen, click on clock. Now here you will see alarm, and if you want to allow alarm, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, allow alarm from your phone. Now go back. After that, clear app data and cache. Open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app, search clock app. Now click on clock, scroll down. Now here you will see storage and cache. Now click on storage and cache. Now here you will see two options, clear cache and clear storage. And if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. And if you want to clear storage, then click on clear storage and click on delete. After click on delete, this app data, included files and settings, will be permanently deleted from this device. Now go back. After that, software update. Again open setting, scroll down, click on system updates, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix alarm no sound in Moto G17 power. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.